We are happy to embark on this new series, Shloka Sagara, picking select verses in Sanskrit and giving its meaning and the context in which it was written. So here we are, Shloka Sagara. Happy learning.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. I am happy to start the Vishnu Sahasranamam as a part of the Shloka Sagaram series for the Antara YouTube channel. This is the first shloka of Vishnu Sahasranamam. Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. Shukla, white. Ambara, clothing or the sky. Dharam, to wear. Vishnu, omnipresent. Shashi, the moon. Varnam, color. Chatur, four. Bhujam, arms. Prasanna, pleasant or compassionate. Vadanam, face. Dhyayet, to meditate. Sarva, all. Vigna, obstacles. Upashantaye, to nullify or to ward off. Thus, the overall meaning of this shloka can be translated as: I meditate to the one who wears the white sky as his clothing, who is omnipresent, who radiates brightness like the moon, who has four arms, who has the pleasant and compassionate face to ward off all evils and obstacles. Dhanyavadaha. Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. This week in the Shloka Sagara series, we shall learn the next shloka and its meaning in the Purva Bhagam of Vishnu Sahasranamam. Yasya dvirada vaktradya parishatya parashatam vignam nignanti satatam vishvaksenam tamashraye. Yasya, whose. Dvi, two. Rada, teeth. Thus, dvirada means two teeth or the two tusks of an elephant. Vaktra, face. Adya, having. Pari, remove. Shadya, immediately. Para, other. Shatam, 100. Vignam, obstacles. Nignanti, remove or ward off. Satatam, always. Vishwaksenam, Lord Vishwaksena, who is the commander-in-chief of Lord Vishnu's army. Tam, them. Ashraye, seek protection. Thus, the translation of this shloka can be said as: I seek protection under Lord Vishwaksena, who, along with his innumerable subordinates who are elephant-headed, wards off all evil. Dhanyavadaha. Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. This week in the Shloka Sagaram series, we shall learn the next shloka and its meaning in the Purva Bhagam of Vishnu Sahasranamam. Vyasam vasishthanaptaram shaktet pautram akalmasham parasharatmajam vande shukatatam taponidhim. Vyasam, sage Vyasa. Vasishtha, sage Vasishtha. Naptaram, great grandson. Shaktehe, sage Shakti. Pautram, grandson. Akalmasham, flawless. Parashara, sage Parashara. Atmajam, son. Vande, offer respect. Shuka, sage Shuka. Tatam, father. Tapo, penance. Nidhim, treasure. Thus, the meaning of this shloka can be said as: I offer my respect to sage Vyasa, who is flawless and is a treasure trove of penances. He is the great grandson of sage Vasishta, the grandson of sage Shakti, the son of sage Parashara, the father of sage Shuka. Thus, the lineage goes like this: sage Vasishta, father of sage Shakti, father of sage Parashara, father of sage Vyasa, father of sage Shuka. Dhanyavadaha. Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. This week in the Shloka Sagaram series, we shall learn the next shloka and its meaning in the Purva Bhagam of Vishnu Sahasranamam. Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahma Nidhaye Vasishthaya Namo Namaha. Vyasaya, sage Vyasa. Vishnu Rupaya, form of Lord Vishnu. Vyasa Rupaya, form of sage Vyasa. Vishnave, Lord Vishnu. Namo, to prostrate. Vai, indeed. Brahma Nidhaye, treasure trove of the Vedas or the Brahman. Vasishthaya, descendant of sage Vasishtha. Namo Namaha, many salutations. The overall meaning of this shloka is: I offer many salutations to sage Vyasa, who is the visible form of Lord Vishnu, who in turn is the visible form of sage Vyasa, the descendant of sage Vasishtha, and the absolute treasure of Vedic knowledge. Dhanyavadaha. Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. This week in the Shloka Sagaram series, we shall learn the next shloka and its meaning in the Purva Bhagam of Vishnu Sahasranamam. Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaikarupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave. Avikaraya, unchangeable. Shuddhaya, pure one. Nityaya, eternal. Paramatmane, supreme being. Sada, always. Eka, one. Rupa Rupaya, such a form. Vishnave, omnipresent. Sarvajishnave, always victorious. The overall meaning of this shloka is: my salutations to Lord Vishnu, who is unchangeable, who is pure and eternal, the Supreme Being who is endowed with a form which is constant at all times, and the one who is always victorious. Dhanyavadaha. Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. This week in the Shloka Sagaram series, we shall learn the next shloka and its meaning in the Purva Bhagam of Vishnu Sahasranamam. Yasya smarana matrena janma samsara bandhanat vimuchyate namastasmai Vishnave Prabhavishnave. Yasya, whose, smarana matrena, a mere thought, janma, birth, samsara, the cycle of birth and death, bandhanat, from the bonds, vimuchyate, liberation, namaha, to bow, tasmai, you, Vishnave, Lord Vishnu, who is omnipresent, Prabhavishnave, the all-powerful Lord Vishnu. Thus, the meaning of this shloka is: my salutations to the all-powerful Lord Vishnu, a mere thought of whom frees all people from the bonds of samsara, the cycle of birth and death. Dhanyavadaha. Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. This week in the Shloka Sagaram series, we shall learn the next shloka and its meaning in the Purva Bhagam of Vishnu Sahasranamam. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha श्रुत्वा धर्मानशेषेण पावनानि च सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरः शान्तनवं पुनरेवाभ्यभाषत। श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच। Shri says, Shrutva, having heard, Dharmana, all dharma principles, Aseshena, in their entirety, Pavanani cha, which have purifying quality, Sarvashaha, all kinds, Yudhishthiraha, King Yudhishthira, Shantanavam, to the son of King Shantanu, who is Bhishma. Punaha, again. Eva, like this. Abhyabhashata, spoke to or addressed. Thus, the meaning of this shloka is, Shri Vaishampayana says, having heard all the dharma principles of all kinds in their entirety, which have purifying quality, King Yudhishthira once again addressed the son of King Shantanu as follows. Dhanyavadaha, Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Namaskaram. This week in the Shloka Sagaram series, we shall learn the next shloka and its meaning in the Purva Bhagam of Vishnu Sahasranamam. The following shloka reveals 4 of the 6 questions that King Yudhishthira asks Bhishma, who is lying on his arrow bed. Shri Yudhishthira uvacha kimekam daivatam loke kim vapyekam parayanam stuvantah kam kamarchantah prapnuyurmanava shubham. Kim, who, ekam, the one, daivatam, God, loke, in this world, kim, who, va api, is also, ekam, the one, parayanam, refuge, stuvantaha, by worshipping, kam, whom, come, whom, archantaha, by praising, prapnuyuhu, attain, manavaha, mankind, shubham, prosperity. The meaning of this shloka is, King Yudhishthira asks, who is the one God in this whole world? Who is the one who is the refuge for all? By worshipping and by praising whom shall mankind attain prosperity? Dhanyavadaha, Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Namaskaram. This week in the Shloka Sagaram series, we shall learn the next shloka and its meaning in the Purva Bhagam of Vishnu Sahasranamam. The last 2 questions of the 6 questions asked by King Yudhishthira to Bhishma is discussed in the following shloka. Ko dharma sarva dharmanam bhavatah paramo mataha kim japan muchyate jantuhu janma samsara bandhanat. Ko, what? Dharmaha, duty. Sarva dharmanam, of all duties. Bhavataha, according to you. Paramo, greatest. Mataha, considered. Kim, what? Japan, meditate upon. Muchyate, liberates. Jantuhu, living beings. Janma samsara, cycle of birth and death. Bandhanat, from the bondage. The overall meaning of this shloka is, of all the dharmas, which dharma according to you is the greatest? By meditating upon whom shall the living beings be liberated from the cycle of birth and death? Dhanyavadaha, Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. This week in the Shloka Sagaram series, we shall learn the next shloka and its meaning in the Purva Bhagam of Vishnu Sahasranamam. The following shlokas are the answers given by Shri Bhishma to King Yudhishthira. Shri Bhishma Uvacha Jagat Prabhum Devadevam Anantam Purushottamam Sthuvannama Sahasrena Purushas Satatottitaha. Shri Bhishma Uvacha. Shri Bhishma says, Jagat, of the universe, Prabhum, the Lord, Devadevam, God of all gods, Anantam, endless, Purushottamam, the Supreme Being, Stuvan, by praising or by worshipping, Nama, name, Sahasrena, 1,000, Purushaha, mankind, Satata, always, Uttitaha, elevated. Thus, the meaning of this shloka is, people who worship the Lord of the universe, the God of all gods, the Supreme Being who is endless, by chanting his 1,000 names, shall always be elevated. Dhanyavadaha. Namaskaram.